Dear students, today I will start the trigonometry. At first, I will start exercise 20. This trigonometry is the new portion in our mathematics. Here, the relation between angles and sides. Okay, so at first, I will give you some concept about angle. So at first, what is the angle? Angle mean everyone see that. Suppose this is a ray and name of this ray is OP, and this is the initial position of ray. If this ray rotate means rotate, this is anti-clockwise direction. So this is the initial position of ray and this is the final position of the ray, that is OP dash. Then this is called angle. This is called angle, and the ray rotate anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. So this angle, this is called angle. Again, if this is the initial position of the ray, that is OA, if this ray rotate clockwise direction means this direction, then it makes this angle. This is OP dash. So this is the angle, and this is also makes the angle. If the ray rotate anti-clockwise direction, then we take the sign of this angle is plus, that is measurement of this angle is positive. And if the ray rotate in clockwise direction, then measurement and angle will be negative. That means suppose this angle is 60 degree. This angle, measurement of this angle is 60 degree. So it will be plus 60. But if measurement of this angle is 60 degree, then here we write down that is minus 60 degree, because here the ray rotate clockwise direction. Since the ray rotate clockwise direction, therefore we express this angle as negative signs, and here the ray rotate in anti-clockwise direction. So here we express this angle by positive sign. Okay, so this is the concept about angle. Next, we measure the angle by 2 units. Okay, 2 units, measurement of angle or units of angle. Units of angle. So there are 2 units. One is sexagesimal system. Decimal system. And another is circular system. Okay, sexagesimal system means we measure the angle by degree or minute or second. Okay, we measure the angle degree or minute or second. Everyone know that 60 degree equals to 60 minutes equals to 1 degree, and also 60 second equals to 1 minute. Okay, and for the circular system we measure the angle by pi radian means, now pi radian equals to 180 degree. Pi radian equals to 180 degree. Okay, therefore 1 radian this equals to 180 divided by pi. Okay, and next x radian this equals to 180 by pi into x. Okay students, so pi radian equals to 180 degree, 1 radian equals to 180 by pi degree, and x radian equals to this. And also we can write here, also we can write 180 degree, this equals to pi radian, and 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian, and x degree equals to pi by 180 into x radian. Okay, so everyone see that if measure of one angle, suppose this is an angle and measure of this angle is 75 degree. Here we measure this angle in sexagesimal system, because this is degree is the sexagesimal system. If we convert this degree as a circular system, that means everyone see that, so 75 degree equals to, convert this is by circular system means convert this is by pi radian. Okay, so everyone see that x degree equals to pi by 180 into x radian. So 75 degree, this equals to pi by 180 into 75. Okay, 70 x degree equals to pi by 180 into x radian. So 75 degree equals to, we can write pi by 180 into 75 radian. Okay, then 5 3s are 15, 15 3 30, 5 6 are, also here 5 15 ja. Next 3 12 ja, that is 3 5 ja. So this equals to 5 pi by 12 radian, 5 pi by 12 radian. This radian is optional, you can write 5 pi by 12, this also right, and 5 pi by 12 radian, this also right. In the similar way, so convert 60 degree in circular system, convert 60 degree in circular system. So everyone see that 60 degree equals to pi by 180 into 60 radian, 60 3 ja, that is pi by 3 radian. Okay students, and if circular system is given, that means suppose given that 2 pi by 5, this is the measurement of angle of a angle is 2 pi by 5, convert this angle by sexagesimal system. Sexagesimal system means convert this angle in degree. So this equals to, we can write 2 by 5 into pi. Everyone know that pi equals to 180 degree. So here we can write in the place of pi, that is 180 degree. So this equals to 536 180. So 2 into 36, that is 72 degree. Okay students, so everyone listen carefully this video and also watch this video. If any problem, any doubt, please ask me. This is the video, this video about measurement of angle, and also here concept the sign of the angle. That means if we take anti-clockwise direction of any ray, then we express this angle by positive signs, and if we take clockwise direction of any ray, then it will express by negative signs of a angle. Next, unit of angle, there are two units. One unit is sexagesimal system and another is circular system. Sexagesimal system means here degree, minutes and second. Okay, 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. This is relation between degree and minute, and 1 minute equals to 60 second. This is relation between minute and second. Everyone know of this relation about degree and minute and second. Next, the second unit is circular system. Circular system, we express this circular system by pi. We express the measure of angle in this system by pi. What is pi? Pi means 180 degree. This is the relation between circular system and successible system. That means relation between radian and degree. Okay. So 1 radian equals to pi by 180 by pi. Similarly, x radian equals to 180 by pi into x. Similarly, this is the relation between radian and degree, and similarly the relation between degree and radian. 180 degree equal to pi radian, and 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian, and x degree equals to pi by 180 into x radian. Okay.